How much risk are you willing to accept by hiring a cheap contractor? Eric Thomason here, owner of Blue Nail Roofing, and the fact is, in the roofing space, 80% of people that took the lowest bid had major problems getting their work completed. Now, this is a direct result of hiring the cheapest contractor, and these aren't Eric Thomason stats or Blue Nail stats. This comes from the Better Business Bureau. Now, I've said it before, cheap contractors are typically inexperienced contractors. And even though their intentions may be good, their lack of experience can very well cost you thousands of dollars to correct their mistakes. So don't let this happen to you. For an example, should you have a technician that has their air gun turned down too low, not enough pressure, they can leave what's called a high nail. A high nail will left up sticking up above the next roofing shingle. When they lay over the next shingle, the sun can heat that up. That nail can make a penetration through that top shingle, allowing a place where water can run down the nail shank and into your home. Now, it's not as simple as just a roof leak. This can cause drywall damage, insulation damage, mildew, and even mold. And this can cost you not just thousands, but sometimes tens of thousands of dollars to mitigate. So do your homework, do your due diligence, make sure you have a contractor that's experienced installing the type of roof you're putting on, that has the knowledge you need to make sure this is done correctly. Another thing is understanding warranties. Improper installation can void your manufacturer's warranty. That's right, hiring an inexperienced, cheap contractor that installs your roof incorrectly can eliminate the possibility of getting your claim paid if there ever is a warranty issue. So don't become a statistic. Again, like, subscribe, comment to our channel. Let us know if there's any content we can produce for you to help you be a more educated consumer. And as always, wind or hail, call Blue Nail.